Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Resolve Fusion for advanced motion titles, full guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your web browser and navigate to the official DaVinci Resolve website. Click on the Products section at the top of the page. From the drop-down menu, select DaVinci Resolve. Once on the click on the Learn More button under the Fusion section. You will be redirected to the Fusion page, which explains its features and capabilities. Look for the option to get started with Fusion. This might be labeled as download or try free. Click on that option to proceed. A new page will open, providing you with download links for various operating systems. Choose the appropriate version for your system and click the download button. Once the download completes, locate the installation file on your computer. Double-click the installation file to begin the installation process. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation. After installation, launch DaVinci Resolve from your Applications or Programs menu. If prompted, create an account or log in if you already have one. Once inside DaVinci Resolve, navigate to the Fusion tab. You can now access advanced motion titles through the Fusion workspace. Explore the built-in templates or create your own custom titles. Remember, you can enhance your title designs using various Fusion tools. To ensure you have access to all features, consider subscribing to additional resources if available. Stay updated by checking the DaVinci Resolve website for any new offerings related to Fusion. Now you're all set to create stunning motion titles in Resolve Fusion. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.